Keisha Charmaine and I'm back to show you how I curl my locks, and I have some useful tips on achieving a lasting curl. First, you want to start off with damp hair. It won't curl at all if you do it dry, and if it's soaking wet, it probably won't dry fully, so the curls won't hold. I typically don't use any products such as setting spray or styling mousse to curl my locks, but if I do, I'll apply that product right now before I put the rollers in. I use white perm rod rollers, which are about half an inch in diameter. Remember that smaller rollers make tighter curls and bigger rollers make bigger curls. Tighter curls last much longer and bigger curls drop much faster. Those are some things to keep in mind when deciding what curl you want. Since my locks vary in size, I take 1 to 4 locks per rod. Most of them have 2 locks per rod though. And I roll from about 1/3 up from the bottom of the lock, so I end up overlapping quite a bit. I have to do this because my locks are so long. Since I'm overlapping so much, my locks will require artificial heat and a long drying time. I kept the rollers in for about a day and a half, and I blow dried them for about an hour, and I sat in the sun for about an hour, but it was pretty rainy, so I didn't get that much sun on my locks. I should have dedicated more time to either drying in the sun or using the blow dryer, because you'll see some of the locks in the back didn't hold very well and aren't as tight as the rest of my locks. But overall, I am satisfied with my results. By the way, keep in mind that I did not apply these rollers with retwisted roots. And the reason why I do that is because when my roots are free and full, I get more volume in my curl. I prefer my hair to have volume at the roots so that my curls look much fuller. I noticed that whenever my curls are done on retwisted hair, it doesn't look as natural, and that's just not my preferred aesthetic. I also have videos on curling with pipe cleaners, lock knots, headband curls, and more. So definitely check out my curl playlist for more of my curly lock videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs this video up, leave a comment below, and share. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.